Hey fam, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, my name is Carolyn Ann and my channel is a lifestyle channel where you will follow us on our journey to becoming debt-free as well as financially stable. In today's video, we will be closing out our third paycheck in April and going over our last paycheck. If you're interested in this type of video, please stay tuned. But first, I'd like to thank all my new subscribers. Hey fam, welcome to the team. And to all my old subscribers, hey fam, welcome back. So let's get started and let's see how we did. So on our budget from April the 18th through April the 24th, in our expense category, we budgeted $420 for our phone bill, $400 for extra payment, $49 for e-forms, $40 for our med subscription, $16.19 for Amazon Prime, $11.98 for Google YouTube, and $1.99 for Google Storage. That came up to a total of $939.65. In our actual category, we paid $421.86 on our phone, which was an overage of $1.36, $400 toward extra payment, $49 for e-forms, $40 for our med subscription, $16.19 for our Amazon Prime, $11.98 for Google YouTube, and $1.99 for Google Storage. That came up to a total of $941.02, which was an overage of $1.36. We budgeted $630 for our cash envelopes, $675 for our sinking funds, $100 for our savings challenges, $150 for our backup fund, $100 for Navy Federal, and $40 for our extra backup money. That came up to a total of $1,705. In our actual category, we spent $580 in our cash envelopes, which was a difference of $50. $1,475 in our sinking fund, which was an overage of $800, $1,100 in our savings challenges, $150 in our backup fund, $100 in Navy Federal, and $40 toward our extra backup money. That came up to a total of $2,455, which was a difference of $750. We budgeted $2,852.36 for our income, minus the expenses of $939.65, minus the cash envelopes of $630, minus the sinking funds of $675, backup funds of $150, Navy Federal of $100, $150 toward our car tag, $110 toward our savings challenges, and $40 toward our extra backup money. That left a remainder of $57.71. In our actual category, our income was $3,652.36, which was a difference of $800, minus the expense of $941.02, which was a difference of $1.36, minus the cash envelopes of $580, which was a difference of $50, minus our sinking funds of $1,475, which was an overage of $800, minus our backup funds of $150, Navy Federal of $100, minus our car tag of $150, minus the savings challenge of $110, and minus our extra backup money of $40. That left a remainder of $106.35, which was a difference of $48.64. In our budget from April the 25th to May the 1st, in our expense category, we budgeted $160 toward our Ally card, $125.02 toward Chase, $142.99 for our homeowner's warranty, $115.52 for life insurance, $55.62 for our home alarm, and $7.62 for our HP Inc. That came up to a total of $606.77. We budgeted $590 for our cash envelopes, $350 for our sinking funds, $80 for our savings challenges, $80 for Navy Federal, and $20 for extra backup money. That came up to a total of $1,120. In our income versus our expenses, we estimate our income to be $1,726.77, minus the expenses of $606.77, minus the cash envelopes of $590, minus the sinking funds of $350, minus the savings challenge of $80, minus the extra backup funds of $20. That left a zero base budget. So fam, that is where we're sitting at with our last few April paychecks. So if you've enjoyed this video, please give us a thumbs up. I greatly appreciate it. And if you stuck around this long, please consider subscribing and joining the family. We'd love to have you. But that is all for this video, fam. Please like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification button so that you'll be notified next time I upload a video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.